Hey, you made it. So before I go on, I want to tell you that this isn't some kind of pitch. I'm not offering you anything, and this isn't a sales call or an offer. But at the end of the video, I will give you two options. First option is to implement everything I showed you completely for free, or second, click the button below and book a consultation call with us to see if we can actually help you implement all those strategies and get the same results as our cleaning business clients. Either way, there are no strings attached. Everything you do from now on is completely for free. There are no strings attached. So what I'm going to show you in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I've been booking $2,000 worth of cleaning jobs for my clients with less than $200 spent per day. I'm going to show you what strategies we use, what offers we make, how we make the offers, and the difference between the old cold calling way and the new cold calling way. So basically, cold calling isn't the right phrase for this. It's more of like phone outreach, because we're reaching out to business owners to see if we can actually help them and book you in for an appointment in order for you to talk with them, give them a good quote, and meet their needs with flexible times when it comes to cleaning. But if your service is not good and you're not looking to get client satisfaction, I suggest you to quit the video now, because we only work with people we know we can help. And my name is Giannis, and for the past few months I've been helping cleaning businesses get a consistent client flow through cold calls, through social media ads, and anything else they need when it comes to the digital world. And I want to point out that we specifically help cleaning business and not any other business. And there is a reason, as I said, that we have 100% success rate, because we can't help everyone. Here's our 4-system process. The first step is the discovering process, where we basically take a look at every single thing you have done before when it comes to ads, when it comes to marketing methods, and how you are currently getting clients. That way we get a pure understanding of what the business is currently doing, how is it scaling, and what are the hidden gaps in your advertising methods. Second step is market comprehension. This, we take a look at what is working in your market, what the competitors are doing, and what is stopping you from actually getting to where you are versus where you want to be client-wise. Now, we already know what works in each market. Now, if you are in Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, or United States, we have worked with multiple states within those countries, and we know what works in what market. The third step is called the B step, where we actually discuss with you what are your goals, what is your client capacity, what are your budget, your hidden gaps in your advertising methods, and how we can actually fill them into getting you from point A, where you are right now, versus when you want to be. And finally is the customized marketing plan. Based on all of the data we have, we'll look into what your business really needs right now in order to get consistent clients and not having to worry about having their calendar fully booked. This is not a done for you service. It's done with you service, where we sit down, make offers together, see your plans, build seasonal offers that sell. We know that sell because we have made more than $30,000 just from these seasonal offers. So after every single step is done, our team takes over. So you can spend more time on focusing on your staff, on how the cleaning jobs are actually performed, manage your staff, manage your clients, grow the business staff-wise, while we keep your calendar full. Now, as I said in the beginning, now you have only two choices. First one is to take the 4-step process I've given you completely for free, go implement it yourself, search online how what's work, search online what is the old way versus the new way of cold calling, and sign up in my newsletter to see all the latest trends and the latest strategies I've used to get results for my clients. Or the second step is to actually click the button below to schedule a consultation chat with me or one of my team members, so we can see if we can actually help you. So after you click in the button below, you will have to fill out a little form where we ask some questions to see if we can actually help you from the first sight. But do not click the link below if you are one of the following. One, if scaling your cleaning business is not a priority right now, do not click the button below. Second, if you don't have much client capacity, do not click the link below. If your profit margins are below 15 or 20%, do not click the link below. Third, if you're not the decision maker and don't own a cleaning business, do not click the link below. Which choice are you going to make?